In a successful business, people make all the difference. We really do work together to give the absolute best service possible. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. This is one of our favorite reviews. We really take every effort to make lasting impressions for each and every individual, and it's great to see that our hard work is paying off. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. Give us the chance to earn a 5-star review from you too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.